Welcome to clickmeproject.com. Let's discuss the project about Paddy Rice identification using polarimetric SAR data in southern China. In this process, we will identify the rice investigation points from the SAR data images. Rice is one of the world's major staple foods, and paddy rice field account for approximately 15% of the world arable land. The radar remote sensing have been proved as an effective tool for rice mapping. With the emergence of space pruning polarimetric SAR satellite, researchers on polarization, backscattering behavior, and identification methods of paddy rice are of great significance and attract attention of remote sensing communities. Radar SAR-2 dataset were used as a dataset to identifying the rice investigation point. This is a flow of our process. First we load our input image. The input images are obtained from the southern west China using radar SAR-2. Then we will go for pre-processing. In pre-processing, in our paper they are using Lee filter, but here we are using Gaussian filter to remove the noises. Noise is nothing but any undesired information that contaminates an image. These noises are removed using some types of filters. Here we are using Gaussian filter to remove the noises. Gaussian filter is a filter whose impulse response is a Gaussian function. Gaussian filters have the properties of having no overshoot to a step function input while minimizing the rise and fall time. This behavior is closely connected to the fact that the Gaussian filter has the minimum possible group delay. And then we will go for polarization. The linear polarization and circular polarization, backscattering coefficient of rice extracted from the 4 temporal polarimetric radar SAR-2 data. Backscattering coefficient of rice is more dissimilarity in linear polarization while less in circular polarization. Rice has the strongest response to horizontal polarization while the weakest response to cross polarization. And then we will identify the rice investigation point. After analyzing the difference in backscattering coefficients of each polarization between rice and other typical features, backscattering coefficients, bills and water bodies are very different from rice, but the forest is close to rice under different polarization. High and high vertical polarization can be used to emphasize the diversity between rice and forest. Then we will locate the rice identification point. Then we will go for our evaluation. Here we are using different polarization to identify the rice, but is clearly identified with the help of HH and HP. The accuracy of the rice identification can be up to 82.3%. Now let us see the execution of the process. First we select main.m file and click run file. This is a open dialog box. These are the data set used in our process. Now I select this image. You can select any one of this. Yeah, this is our original image, and then we will go for our pre-processing step. For pre-processing, here we are applying Gaussian filter to remove the noises. Noise is nothing but some undecided information that contaminates on image. Here we are applying Gaussian filter to removing those types of noises, and we will applying the backscattering coefficients for investigating the rice identification point. Here the green color represents the rice investigation points, and the yellow color represents the other areas that mean by other crops, and then this green color represents only the rice investigation points. Then there are totally 85% accuracy we are getting, and then 15% error rate we are getting. Then we will identify the rice identification investigation point from our radar SAR2 dataset. Thank you.